In this video, I'll show you how to upload 4K videos to YouTube from your phone. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your app version. Next, tap the Settings icon. Scroll down and select Video Quality Preferences. Under On Mobile Networks, choose Higher Picture Quality. Then, under On Wi-Fi, also select Higher Picture Quality. Now go back to the YouTube home screen and tap the plus button. Select Upload a Video and choose the 4K video you want to upload from your gallery. Add your title, description, and other details, then tap Upload. Once the upload is complete, open the YouTube Studio app. Tap the Content tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the video you just uploaded. After YouTube finishes processing the video, you'll see that it is available in 4K quality. Keep in mind that 4K processing may take some time, even after the upload is complete. That's it. This is how you can upload 4K videos to YouTube using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.